Hi guys, I'm going to quickly go through and show you how to record a FlipGrid response for your Ancient Civilizations presentation so that you can present your slideshow and share your screen while presenting. First thing you want to do is click on the FlipGrid link and it will take you to the Ancient Civilizations presentation. From there, you can go to Actions and click Record a Response. When it gives you the option to record a response, it is going to take a little bit of time to load here, but once you have loaded, it is going to give you options in order to share your screen. So as you look, you can see upload clip, mic only, mirror video, mute, or record a screen. You are going to click record screen. Once your screen comes up like this, you are going to click start screen recording, and now anything that is inside this screen is going to be broadcast or recorded with your video. So it'll give you a countdown. And now anything that is inside this screen is now being recorded. So once you get there, you're going to click on your Google slideshow. And I just pulled up my introduction slide from the beginning of the school year. And then you're going to go right here to where it says present. In present mode, it will come up and your slideshow will be able to be presented. You do not have to, you're not going to be on screen, it's going to be your screen. And as you click through the buttons, you should be able to narrate your slideshow as you're presenting it. So again, do not read everything that's on your screen. Narrate it like you already know the information and like you are going to be able to talk about and just have a regular conversation about your topic. Okay, so now as we go through that, once you're finished, obviously you can come back here to the FlipGrid screen, stop recording. You are going to be able to edit and trim it up a little bit to where you have the information that you need. Okay, once you're done there, click next. Give any information that you need, click submit, and it should be uploaded into FlipGrid. So hopefully that helps you to understand how to present your video. Once you click complete, it comes down here and it gives me the video I just recorded. All right, hopefully you guys are able to use that and get your presentation for your ancient civilization up onto FlipGrid.